Meet the Bridwell family from Upstate South Carolina. This busy family of four loves spending time together.
We met in high school. I actually met her at a high school dance after a football game.
Now 2 kids and 16 years later, this hardworking couple is all about family and home.
My daughter Abby, she's very involved in horses. Jake, he's involved in football. So in the fall, we're very busy between the two of them.
We actually enjoy being outdoors as much as possible. We enjoy gardening outside, flower gardening, just taking care of the yard.
South Carolina is one of the southernmost states in the U.S. to experience a change during all 4 seasons. From the colorful leaves of fall to the snow-capped mountains in winter, the vibrant flowers in spring and the warming sun of summer, and the lake algae in full bloom.
So when we first noticed it, we weren't sure what it was. You could see a little discoloration in the water because Kelly, she told me that she'd tasted dirt in the water, and initially I didn't believe her, but eventually it came out in the news media that it was the algae bloom that was causing it. Apparently it's not going away, so it's time to do something, not only for the taste, but for the health of our family. I mean, we don't want to be drinking dirty water.
One way to address the Bridwells' concerns is to test their water to check the quality and determine if it's contaminated. To help out, John Woodard, a master water specialist with Freshwater Systems, is here to pay the family a visit.
Greg?
Yes, sir.
John with Freshwater Systems.
Hi, John. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Come on in.
Thank you. Well, the Bridwells are facing a very common problem when surface water is the source. Let's take a look at the water quality report from the municipality that you get your water from. They're required by the EPA to print this so that you know the key components or key contaminants that they're required to report upon. The problem that they run into is algal blooms, and it creates taste and odor issues. It can also create toxins at the cyanobacteria. So what I'm thinking is we're going to be looking at a treatment for the whole house to reduce the discoloration that you see, as well as the odor that we run into. Okay. And then under the sink for point of use, we're going to put in a reverse osmosis system, which is really going to refine the water quality.
Great.
So what we're proposing for the Bridwells is carbon, granular activated carbon, which will take care of the taste and odor issues that they run into, as well as the toxins if that gets through the municipal water treatment system. Now, they also talked about discoloration, so we're also going to include in this package mechanical filtration, just basically a sediment filter to capture the particulate that creates that color.
So I feel like this is going to be a good thing for our family.
Robert from Viqua is here today with us, and we're going to install a whole house water treatment system. Hey, Robert, good to see you.
Hey, John, good to see you.
This is the Bridwells.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Robert.
Thanks for inviting me in. So the whole point of the system is to improve the quality and taste of the water for the family, as well as give them protection with a UV system. So in the event of any boil water advisories, the UV is going to protect them. UV is used for disinfection, as well as it's a chemical-free solution. And a lot of people now wanting green solutions are looking for something that can remove the chemicals out of the city water. If they're on a well or lake source, they don't want to use chlorine in their well. So they're looking at UV as the solution. So we're just starting to allow water to go in slowly.
You all finished up, Robert?
Almost, just turning the water on right now.
Okay, man, this looks cool.
Hey guys, we got it all done. Everything's installed. We got the reverse osmosis system in. I think it's time for a taste test.
Yay, yeah.
Sounds good.
There you go, Greg.
Thank you. No more smell. Looks good. No frogs and sticks in there anymore.
Very good.
It tastes good.
Very good.
So we've got great clear water. We've got no taste, no odor, and we've got drinking water that's a very high quality. We're also very confident that they're going to enjoy this water system for years to come.
To learn more, go to freshwatersystems.com or visit designingspaces.tv to see this portion of the show again. You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.